name of this tool is the 12-month PI Submission Supertracker. We use this tool to create a 12-month Excel calendar grid of the submissions we're expecting for all faculty in the department. Recall our department research staff have captured this data via a PI submission survey that we send out every 6 months in early December and early June, asking the PIs to specify the type of proposal they intend to submit and at what monthly and yearly deadline. The grid is organized in rows by sponsor and award type, example, VA Merit, Career Development, NH, R, K, etc., DOD, NSF, PCORI, and miscellaneous submissions. The columns are the months. We then populate the cells with the PI's name. Once we verify that all the data is accurate, that true positive submissions are confirmed, our Central Grants Administration team assigns the pre-award workload to staff, and we begin reaching out to the PIs to start preparing their proposals. Additionally, to reinforce communication, transparency, and expectation, the calendar grid is emailed to our department chair, division directors, and division administrators so that everyone can see the overall faculty submission plans. We've also begun displaying this grid in our hallway flat screen display monitors so that all faculty can see the submission workload as they walk by. Again, we do this because we're trying to increase transparency, and we want the faculty and their colleagues to appreciate the need to work proactively to submit their grant and by completing the steps that help expedite the process, such as gathering materials from co-investigators well in advance. In other words, if one faculty is not staying on task, it affects the whole because the result will be a submission deadline bottleneck. Plus, if procrastinating the proposal is often more likely to be sloppy. A good example illustrating why this tool is important is the October 2016 deadline. In this case, we are expecting 22 R01s, 3 DOD proposals, and 1 K award at the October 2016 deadline. This is a major spike in our workload. So by showing this to all the faculty, they can visually see what the workload will be like for our grants team. And hopefully we'll make the extra effort to be as efficient as well as a general courtesy to their research faculty colleagues.